Hello, my little stars, and welcome back to another episode of Tiny Talk Time. Today, we have a super fun topic that helps you learn English in a simple and natural way. We're going to talk about something very special, your home. Yes, your home, the place where you sleep, play, rest, eat, and live your day. And of course, I'm here with my wonderful little friend. Say hi, Leo.
Hi, Miss Lily. And hi, everyone listening. I'm so excited. We're talking about homes today.
That's right, Leo. Home is a beautiful word. It's not just a house. It's the place where you feel safe and happy. So today's episode is called Beginner English Chat, talking about your home. Ready to explore?
Yes, I want to tell everyone about my home.
Wonderful, Leo. Let's start with something simple. When we describe our home in English, we can begin by saying, I live in a, and then we add what kind of home it is. Leo, do you know what kind of home you live in?
I think I live in a house. Yes, a little house.
That's right, Leo. So you can say, I live in a house.
I live in a house.
Perfect. Some children live in a house, some in an apartment, some in a farm home, and others in different kinds of places. And that's okay. Every home is special. Now, Leo, tell me, what is your favorite room in your home?
Ooh, my favorite room is my bedroom.
Great answer, Leo. Bedroom is an important word. Kids, repeat after me. Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Very good. Now, how do we say that something belongs to you? We use the word my. For example, my bedroom. Leo, can you say, my bedroom is my favorite room?
My bedroom is my favorite room.
Wonderful. Now, tell our listeners what we can find inside your bedroom.
I have a bed, a chair, some toys, a big blanket, and my favorite thing, my rocket lamp.
A rocket lamp. Wow, that sounds amazing. Kids listening, listen carefully. Bed, chair, toys, blanket, lamp. All of these are things you can find in a home. Let's repeat them together.
Bed, chair, toys, blanket, lamp.
Excellent job. Now, Leo, let's move to another part of your home. How about the kitchen?
Ooh, the kitchen. I love the kitchen. That's where the food is.
Yes, exactly. So kids, repeat after me. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Great. A kitchen is the place where we cook and eat. Now, Leo, what things do you have in your kitchen?
Let me think. We have a table, some chairs, a fridge, a stove, a sink, and a fruit bowl.
That's amazing. So many useful words. Kids, let's repeat. Table, fridge, stove, sink, fruit bowl.
Table, fridge, stove, sink, fruit bowl.
Perfect. Now let's make a full sentence. Leo, can you say, there is a fridge in my kitchen?
There is a fridge in my kitchen.
Perfect. When we want to say something exists inside a place, we use there is for one thing and there are for more than one thing. Let's practice both. Leo, can you try saying, there are chairs in my kitchen?
There are chairs in my kitchen.
Amazing, Leo. You're becoming a little English master. Now let's explore another part of your home. The living room.
Oh, yes. My living room has a big couch.
Kids, repeat. Living room.
Living room.
Very good. A living room is the place where families sit, relax, watch TV, or talk. Can you tell us what else is in your living room, Leo?
Yes, there's a couch, a TV, a rug, a table, and a plant.
Wonderful. Let's repeat. Couch, TV, rug, table, plant.
Couch, TV, rug, table, plant.
Perfect. Now let's practice describing your living room in a sentence. Try saying, my living room has a big couch.
My living room has a big couch.
Excellent! Now let's talk about colors, because colors help us describe things better. Leo, what color is your couch?
My couch is gray.
So you can say, my couch is gray.
My couch is gray.
And your rug?
My rug is green.
And your table?
My table is brown.
Kids, listen closely. This is how we describe things at home in English. My blank is blank. For example, my bed is blue. My chair is yellow. My lamp is red. Let's try a fun exercise. Leo, I'll ask you a question and you answer quickly. Ready?
Ready!
What color is your fridge?
White.
So say, my fridge is white.
My fridge is white.
What color is your blanket?
My blanket is blue.
What color is your lamp?
My lamp is red.
Wonderful. Now, let's move to something even more fun. Actions you do at home. Kids, these are simple verbs you can use every day. Repeat after me. Eat, sleep, play, read, sit, wash.
Eat, sleep, play, read, sit, wash.
Excellent! Now let's make sentences using these verbs. Leo, what do you do in your kitchen?
I eat in my kitchen.
Perfect. What do you do in your bedroom?
I sleep in my bedroom.
And what do you do in the living room?
I play in my living room.
And do you read anywhere in your home?
Yes, I read on the couch.
Amazing. And what do you wash in the bathroom?
My hands. I wash my hands in the bathroom.
Kids listening, try repeating these sentences. I eat in the kitchen. I sleep in my bedroom. I play in the living room. I read on the couch. I wash my hands in the bathroom.
I eat in the kitchen. I sleep in my bedroom. I play in the living room. I read on the couch. I wash my hands in the bathroom.
Fantastic! Now, let's make a fun challenge. Leo, I will describe a room and you must guess which room it is. Ready?
Yes.
There is a bed, a pillow, and a blanket. What room is it?
The bedroom.
Great! Next one. There is a stove, a sink, and a fridge.
The kitchen.
Perfect! Next one. There is a couch, a TV, and a rug.
The living room.
Amazing! And last one. There is a shower, a toilet, and a mirror.
The bathroom.
Excellent, Leo! And kids, if you got them right too, give yourselves a little clap. Now, to finish today's episode, let's teach a simple but powerful phrase. Welcome to my home.
Welcome to my home.
This is what you say when someone comes to visit you. Now, let's make a full description of your home together, Leo. Repeat after me. I live in a house. My bedroom is my favorite room. My kitchen has a fridge and a stove. My living room has a big couch. My home is cozy and I love it.
I live in a house. My bedroom is my favorite room. My kitchen has a fridge and a stove. My living room has a big couch. My home is cozy and I love it.
Beautiful job. And now, little stars listening, you can try describing your home too. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try. The more you practice, the better you get.
Yes, try. It's fun.
And now, before we say goodbye, Leo, what do we tell our wonderful listeners?
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like and tell us in the comments, what is your favorite room in your home?
That's right. Your support helps our podcast grow and helps more children learn English in a fun way. Thank you for listening, my little stars.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, little stars. See you next time on Tiny Talk Time.